Hello and welcome to the exciting world of income mastery. Today, we're going to list the top 5 AI 100x crypto coins to buy in 2023. Make sure to watch until the very end because we're saving the best for last. AI is set to revolutionize the world of crypto in 2023, providing numerous benefits to traders and investors alike. AI can analyze large volumes of data accurately, enabling trading bots to identify patterns and trends that humans may miss. Additionally, AI can prevent fraudulent activities, ensuring a safer and more secure trading environment. Therefore, we have listed the top 5 AI 100x crypto coins to purchase in 2023. Number 1. Singularity Net. The emergence of Singularity Net has taken the world by storm, and it's the first cryptocurrency on our list. This decentralized platform harnesses the power of AI to tackle complex issues, providing advanced solutions for businesses and individuals. Singularity Net runs on the Ethereum blockchain and enables users to create, share, and monetize AI services. Its flexibility and accessibility have already seen significant growth in the market, and with the growing demand for AI-based solutions in various industries, Singularity Net is set to experience even more significant gains in 2023. Singularity Net is a platform that stands out from the crowd, thanks to its innovative approach to problem solving. This makes it an appealing option for those seeking to invest in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency market. The platform's AI-powered capabilities offer a wide range of solutions that cater to various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation, among others. With Singularity Net's ability to develop and customize AI services to meet specific requirements, its potential for future growth is enormous. This versatility is essential as it enables Singularity Net to address specific pain points in different industries and adapt to new challenges quickly. Singularity Net's technology is designed to democratize access to AI capabilities, allowing individuals and organizations of all sizes to take advantage of AI-powered solutions. By leveraging AI, Singularity Net offers improved efficiency, productivity, and cost savings, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline their operations. In a nutshell, Singularity Net is a promising platform with innovative technology and enormous market potential. Its ability to develop and customize AI services for specific requirements makes it a versatile solution that can cater to different industries' needs. As the adoption of AI solutions continues to grow, Singularity Net is an excellent investment opportunity for those seeking to capitalize on the growth of the crypto market. Number 2. Ocean Protocol. If you are looking for a way to share and monetize your data without sacrificing your privacy, look no further than Ocean Protocol, the innovative AI-based platform that offers secure and efficient data sharing solutions using blockchain technology. Ocean Protocol enables individuals and organizations to share data and monetize it in a secure and private manner, thanks to its cutting-edge AI and blockchain technologies. The platform offers a range of features that ensure data is protected and can be accessed only by authorized parties, giving users peace of mind when it comes to the privacy of their sensitive information. With the increasing demand for secure and private data sharing solutions, Ocean Protocol is poised to experience significant growth in 2023. The platform's unique approach to data sharing, coupled with its advanced AI and blockchain technologies, makes it an attractive investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth of the data economy. Whether you're a data provider or a data consumer, Ocean Protocol offers a range of benefits that are sure to appeal. From its secure and transparent data sharing framework to its ability to facilitate monetization, this platform is a game changer in the world of data sharing. Overall, Ocean Protocol is an exciting platform that promises to revolutionize the way we share and monetize data. With its advanced AI and blockchain technologies, it's sure to see significant growth. Number 3. Cortex. Cortex is a cutting-edge platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to offer decentralized solutions for AI development and deployment. This platform has been designed with developers in mind, providing them with a flexible environment to create, test, and deploy machine learning models on the blockchain. With the increasing demand for AI-based solutions across multiple industries, Cortex is expected to see significant growth in 2023. The platform's ability to offer secure and transparent solutions for AI development and deployment is highly sought after, making it an excellent investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth of AI in the coming years. Furthermore, the use of machine learning on the Cortex platform ensures that developers can access the latest AI algorithms, making it easier to create sophisticated models that can tackle complex problems. This, coupled with the platform's decentralized nature, ensures that users can enjoy maximum transparency and flexibility in their AI development projects. Overall, Cortex is a promising platform that has the potential to revolutionize the way developers approach AI development and deployment. With the increasing demand for AI-based solutions in various industries, Cortex is well-positioned to see significant growth in the years ahead. Number 4. GraphLink. Next up on the list is GraphLink. It is a decentralized Oracle network that provides a bridge between off-chain data sources and smart contracts on the blockchain. This platform leverages the power of blockchain technology to offer a secure and reliable method for accessing off-chain data, enabling smart contracts to execute based on real-world events. One of the significant challenges facing smart contracts is their inability to access off-chain data, such as market data, weather data, or other real-world events. GraphLink aims to solve this problem by providing a decentralized Oracle network that can securely and accurately fetch off-chain data and provide it to smart contracts on the blockchain. The GraphLink platform provides a range of features to ensure that data is secure, accurate, and tamper-proof. These features include a multi-layered security framework, consensus mechanisms, and a community-driven governance model. By leveraging these features, GraphLink provides a reliable and transparent method for accessing off-chain data. Furthermore, the GraphLink network is designed to be scalable, ensuring that it can handle large volumes of data requests without compromising performance or security. This scalability is essential in ensuring that smart contracts can execute seamlessly, even in high-load scenarios. Overall, GraphLink is a promising platform that has the potential to revolutionize the way smart contracts interact with off-chain data. By providing a secure and reliable method for accessing off-chain data, GraphLink is poised to play a significant role in the growth of decentralized finance and other blockchain-based applications. Number 5. Fetch.ai. Lastly on the list is Fetch.ai. It is a decentralized network that is powered by artificial intelligence and designed to enable individuals and organizations to create and deploy autonomous agents that can perform specific tasks. By utilizing machine learning and AI technologies, the platform offers intelligent automation solutions for a range of industries. With the growing need for automation solutions across various sectors, Fetch.ai is poised to experience significant growth in 2023. The platform's ability to offer decentralized intelligent automation solutions makes it an attractive investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the trend of automation in the coming years. Fetch.ai. AI-based autonomous agents can learn from data and interactions, allowing them to continuously improve their performance and decision-making abilities. This makes them well-suited for complex tasks that require intelligent decision-making and adaptability. Moreover, the Fetch.ai platform offers a secure and transparent environment for creating and deploying autonomous agents. This ensures that users can enjoy maximum privacy and control over their data and interactions, making it a trusted and reliable platform for intelligent automation. Overall, Fetch.ai is a revolutionary platform that has the potential to transform the way industries approach automation. With its AI-based autonomous agents and decentralized network, Fetch.ai is well-positioned to see significant growth in the years ahead, as more organizations seek to leverage intelligent automation to streamline their operations and increase efficiency. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about the top crypto to invest in, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.